Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can make a TikTok sound, but before that please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. For that, all you gotta do is first of all access your particular TikTok app, and then right afterwards simply go ahead, tap on this plus icon in the bottom again, and all you gotta do is from there tap on this option of uploads. Right now let's go ahead and choose a video file of yours with your own sound. So for example, this is the one, right? So this video does have the sound available in it. So if you want to go, we're simply gonna go ahead, tap on this next option, and we're simply gonna tap on this option of post. Once the particular video will be done posting, we're gonna go ahead and tap on the video in the sound section. It will show our video as the sound. If anybody taps on it and try to use that, it's gonna simply be our original sound. So the key is, once you have tapped on this plus and use any random video with your sound in it, for say it can be a recording of yours, it can be a song of yours. Once you have uploaded that original video on TikTok, that will be your sound and listed as yours only. So that is the way for you to do so. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.